Good morning and welcome to week 7 in taxation law, everyone. This week we're going to look at specific deductions and capital allowances. So this is flowing on from our deductions module in module 6 last week, where we're going to look at probably a special subclass of specific deductions that include capital allowances. So that might be where, say you purchase a piece of equipment that needs to be deducted and the expense cannot be fully deducted in the first year of purchase, and that associated with what amount per year can you deduct from your taxable income. So we're going to run through quite a few things. There's a few readings here. One of the things I wanted to bring your attention to is that in each of the discussion boards, there's been postings of some revision slides or some summation of the key points from each module. I encourage everyone to please have a look at those and review them because they're going to really help with collating information in terms of your final exam because it is an open book. You do need to be able to access the information, taxation rulings, legislation as fast as possible because it is quite a detailed exam that you'll run into. Now moving on to a key assessment piece that's coming up. It's due on the 5th of August. It's our short answer questions. So hopefully everyone's had a chance to review the introduction to this assessment piece where we ran through some key tips and hints, as well as been into the assignments tab to look at what actually is the assessment piece and hopefully made a start. So we do have to ensure that we're following the guidelines for writing legal responses to questions. And that's a really important aspect. And that's where key marks for this piece of assessment will come from. So I encourage everyone to have a crack early, get involved and hopefully ask questions. I want to see questions regarding it. If you feel free to send me drafts for some feedback, I can't give you feedback on the content, but I can give you feedback on your formatting and your application of the legal responses required. So that's where I think the most benefit I can have. If you really get started early, I'll be able to help you and provide feedback as soon as possible. So it's quite hard to get a turnaround of feedback if you're attempting to finish off the assessment piece in the last few days before the due date. So I look forward to seeing all your questions. I hope everyone's still attempting the revision questions at home that I'm posting every week. They're really important questions. I handpick those based on what I feel is the best application of the module content, and sometimes they can be in line with similar formatting to what you might see in assessment pieces later on. Good luck, everyone.